Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by parking the XT5 on a flat surface with the ignition off and the parking brake set. Once done, gently lift the wiper arm until it locks away from the glass and place a towel under the arm to protect the windshield. Now inspect the connector type, hook, pin, or bayonet, because the removal method depends on that. Make sure you have the correct replacement lengths for driver and passenger sides, gloves, and a small flat tool if the release clip is tight. Next, press the small release tab or pry the clip at the blade connector junction. You should feel it give. For a J-hook, pull the blade down toward the arm tip and slide the hook through the opening. For pin or bayonet types, depress the tab and pull the blade straight off. Work slowly so you don't bend the arm or snap the spring. Once removed, wipe the arm and pivot to remove grime and inspect the spring tension so the new blade will seat and press evenly. To install, align the new blade's connector to the arm and slide or snap it into place until you hear a secure click. Verify that the driver and passenger blades match the correct lengths. Lower the arm gently back to the windshield to avoid a hard impact. Start the car and test with washer fluid on both low and high speeds to confirm smooth, full-contact wiping. If you see streaking or skipping, reseat the blade, check the arm's spring tension, and if needed, swap blades or replace the arm as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.